How to change language in Brave browser. 1. Open the Brave application. 2. Select icon. 3. Select settings. 4. Select language. In this video we choose English. Success, your language has been changed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.